Jim Schwartz with 360 Yield Center here. I want to talk to you a little bit about staging corn plants, and there's various reasons why we do it. We talk about herbicide labels, we talk about tissue testing at certain stages. So I want to talk to you about staging a corn plant. As I look at this plant, it actually has 9 fully developed collars that you can see. So the question is this a V9 corn plant? And the reason that's important, for instance, is that we sample differently at different growth stages. Well, what we really need to understand when you get a plant this big is, what about the leaves that are missing? And the way, because you can see there's dead leaves down here, but what stage are we? Here's how you do that. You split the stalk, and I typically look for the first node that's fully developed over an inch. So I'm going to say it's this node that's fully over an inch. So the leaf above that node is around the 5th leaf stage. So that's number 5, okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This may be 12 or 13, okay? So I thought maybe just by counting leaves it was V9. The truth of the matter is I've got 13 leaf stages, so that actually will change how I sample for tissue sampling, for instance. The other thing you can know is most corn plants put on their ear right around the 14th node, so about the next node is where my ear is going to be. The other thing to think about is how much longer before I'm tasseling. Well, once a corn plant gets past V10, which this plant is, we know that it adds a leaf about every 50 growing degree days. So given our summertime temperatures, that's going to be every 2 to 2.5 days. So if I have 13 leaves and I know I need to add 8 more, all right, and I get one every 2 to 2.5 days, right, you can do the math and go, in about 16 to 19 days, I'm going to be fully developed. My tassels, you'll actually start seeing the tassels, the green tassels around the V16 stage. So another 2 or 3 leaf stages, or another 4.5 to 7 days, you'll start seeing the tassel, the green tassel emerge. But it's just helpful to know what that growth stage is. Look for that first 1-inch node, and the leaf above that is that 5th node. And then understand how that plant develops, where that ear is going to be at the 14th node, give or take, and know how much longer it's going to take before this tassel emerges. It's just helpful as you stage these corn plants.